My name is Thomas Werner C. Sayod from BSMT1 Delta, 19 years old, and I am here right now to answer the question from our midterm exam. So my answer for the first question is, modern science study shows that universe has a beginning. And this study is supported by the Big Bang Theory. And this theory states that universe has started from a very small degrees about 13 billion years ago. And this means that universe has a cause or has a beginning, and it could not create itself. So this is connected to Kalam's cosmological argument, which is stated that everything that began to exist has a cause. Therefore, universe began to exist. That's why it has a cause, and that cause is God. So the next is, how can I answer the question from ATS about who created God? But this question is assuming that there is someone who created God. But in philosophy and theology, a God that is created is not a God, because God exists outside the time and space, because God is not like universe, because He is the first cause. So according to Thomas Aquinas, there is a first cause, because if we don't have a first cause, then the chain of cause, or the chain of cause will never end. So therefore, we will thus not have a beginning. And that's all for my midterm exam. Thank you.